Welcome to the Zenki Stories, Part 2 of Episode 5 on Shaker's Conglomerate. In the last video, we finished up with removing the valve cover. So first up here, I'm removing the camshaft caps and bolts. There's a specific order in which to do so, and everything should be replaced in the original spot it was removed from. So I've taken a piece of scrap plywood that I had laying around and drew an image of the layout to place all the parts on. Next, I removed the timing chain tensioner, which is located on the front intake side of the engine. There are 2 bolts that need to be removed. After that, the cam sensor located on the exhaust side needs to come off, which again is being held on by 2 bolts. I am now taking the cam bolts and caps out and placing them on the layout I had drawn previously. This will allow me to know exactly where these have to go back. Here we are removing the camshafts. Well, in hindsight, I found out that I had done this incorrectly. I watched a couple other videos and people seemed to remove the camshafts with the sprockets on, so I followed suit, even after reading the manual and it showing the proper way of removing the sprockets. Hopefully I haven't caused myself any more future problems. Rain clouds started moving in, so that's the end of the day, but not the end of the build. Thanks for watching Shaker's Conglomerate with me, Shaker. Please leave a thumbs up and a comment below. I look forward to hearing from my viewers and check back soon for part 3 of episode 5. Have a great day.